guys, he's gonna do
I felt very good about the system. I think
He
one
already
of the
plays
reasons
the
I was
first one.
so calm.
He's gonna play the second one.
The others were just calm. They didn't know as much about it as I did.
Who was in charge of engaging the escape system?
It's automated.
He's doing-
The escape system
I was visualizing
is
Let
completely
me zoom
automated.
in so you
Automated
guys
is
can
better
see
because
better.
it can react so much faster.
Zoom in.
So yeah, for tourism, rockets, space cruisers, huge priority for space exploration also, but
He's
with the
Screw it.
Yes, I mean, I think for, there are human activities where we tolerate more risk. You're saving somebody's life. If you are, engaging in real exploration, these are things where,
That's
I personally think
just something.
we would accept more risk, in part because you have to.
Is there a part of you that's frustrated by the rate of progress in Blue Ocean?
That I left my role as the CEO of Amazon a couple of years ago. I wanted to come in. Florida needs me right now.
Oh.
So I had always, when I was the CEO of Amazon, my point of view on this is, if I'm the CEO of a publicly traded company, it's going to get my full attention. And I really, it's just how I'm very important to me. You always take what Amazon to do that. And so having, turned the CEO, still the executive the reason that
It's getting dark.
the
It's getting
primary
dark.
reason I did that is so that I could spend time on the road, adding some, energy, some urgency. We need to move much faster, and we're going to.
What are the ways to speed it up? There's
Back to
you
the
talked a
world.
lot Amazon, removing barriers
Watch part
for
3.
progress of
Me going
distributing
to the box again. And it will be better than part 1.
Does that apply at Blue Origin or is
It does apply, and I'm leading this directly. We are going to
He's
become the
fuming.
world's most decisive government.
Look, he's
across
fuming.
any
He's
industry.
fuming.
And so, at Amazon, ever since the beginning, we're going to become the world's most customer-obsessed company. And no matter the industry, one day people are going to come to Amazon from the healthcare industry and want to know, how are you so customer obsessed?
Well,
How do
he
you
got
not
the
just pay lip service,
Ryobi
but
one.
actually do that?
The black one. See?
And from all different industries, you come want to study us to see how we accomplish that. And the analogous thing at Blue Origin, and will help us move faster, is we're going to become the most decisive company. We're going to get really good at taking appropriate technology risks, making
Back to
those
the-
decisions quickly,
Right.
being bold on those things.
Oh, no, it's
That's
getting
what-
snowed.
having the
What
right
the-
culture that supports that.
Oh,
You need people to be
cold.
ambitious, technically ambitious.
that was bad.
You know,
It's getting
five
dark.
ways to
It's
do
getting dark.
something,
It's getting
we'll
dark.
study them. Let's study them very quickly and make a decision. We can change our
There's a
mind.
secret deed.
It doesn't, changing your mind is I took one-way doors and two-way doors.
You see it?
Most decisions are two-way doors.
Can you explain that? Because I love that.
If you make the wrong decision, if it's a two-way door decision, you walk out the door, you pick a door.
He
you
closed
walk
the
out,
lid.
You spend a little time.
Bye.